Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notification.
The ongoing demolition of illegal buildings and structures blocking waterways across major towns and cities in Delta State will be thorough and spare no sacred cows. Director General Special Duties, Delta State Government House, Chief Frank Omare made the declaration recently when he led a team of state officials to supervise the demolition of illegal structures in Warri and Efun, both in Warri South and AKUGHA local government areas of Delta State.
Officials of the Delta State government recently supervised the demolition of buildings erected along natural drains, obstructing free flow of water across communities in Warri South and AKUGHA local government areas of the state. Director General of Special Duties Government House, Chief Frank Omare, who led the team, said the exercise was in preparation for this year's anticipated flood outbreak as predicted by the Nigerian Meteorological Agency NIMET. In an interview with Inside the Niger Delta, Chief Omare observed that most of the affected buildings were not approved by relevant authorities.
When we consult with the State Ministry of Lands and Survey, a lot of those structures are not given approvals. So it means that the owners did approval by themselves, erected it and destroyed the environment and discomforting millions of Deltans. And as government, we are going around. We're using local town criers, we're using our languages so that everybody now knows exactly why government wants to take this action.
With the onset of last year's flood, Delta State became one of the most impacted states nationwide. In NIMET's 2023 flood alert, the state falls within the probable flood risk areas, a situation that is giving the state government serious concern about safety of lives and properties. Chief Omare told reporters that there would be no sacred cows in the ongoing demolition exercise.
We are going to be very, very strict. No relation, no tribal person, no ethnic person. We are going to do it the way we should do it. Because if nobody has done it day before yesterday, and nobody did it yesterday, and nobody has done it today, then we will do it tomorrow.
Chief Omare said he was aware that some persons were already blackmailing the state government over the ongoing demolition exercise. He, however, noted that no amount of blackmail would stop the government of Right Honorable Sheriff Oborewori from doing the right thing.
I am appealing to all Deltans that clearly blackmail cannot stop Right Honorable Sheriff Oborewori-led government to be shy. 10 years ago, we brought down a school in Saple. That's a government school. In Saple, we brought the school down because it was really on the waterway. It's for the benefit of the larger population of our people.
The ongoing demolition of illegal buildings obstructing free flow of water along drainage channels is in line with Governor Oborewori's directive as part of mitigative measures against this year's anticipated flood in Delta State. State officials say the ongoing demolition exercise will be carried out across all flood-prone communities in the state.
Inside the Niger Delta.